In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch export sequences and clips from Premiere Pro with Adobe Media Encoder. If you've ever needed to deliver multiple edits or versions at once, batch exporting will save you a ton of time. We'll move through the process clearly so you can set it up once and let your computer do the heavy lifting. Start by opening your project in Premiere Pro and making sure everything is ready to go. It's a good idea to double-check timelines, in and out points, and any last-minute tweaks. Save your project so your latest changes carry through to export. Next, select the sequences or clips you want to export in the project panel. You can choose finished timelines, individual clips, or a mix of both. Use Control or Command to select multiple items or Shift to grab a range. Selecting from the project panel keeps everything organized and ensures exactly what you highlight gets queued. With your items selected, go to File, Export, Media. This opens the Export Settings window. Instead of clicking Export, which would render one item right inside Premiere, click Queue. Queue sends your selections to Adobe Media Encoder, which is built for batch processing and lets you keep working in Premiere while exports run in the background. Adobe Media Encoder will open and you'll see all the selected items appear in the queue. Each one gets its own line with a format, preset, and output path. If something looks off, you can still adjust it before starting. Now set your export presets. For each item, choose the format and codec that match your delivery needs. H.264 is a common choice for web and social exports, while ProRes or DNX might be better for high-quality masters or post workflows. Click the preset to fine-tune settings like resolution, frame rate, and bitrate if needed. Then confirm the destination, the output file path, so each export lands in the right folder with a clear file name. Consistent naming helps when you're delivering multiple versions. When everything looks good, start the batch export by clicking the green play button in Media Encoder. The queue will begin rendering automatically from top to bottom. You'll see progress bars and estimated times, and you can continue editing in Premiere without interrupting the export. If you need to pause or reorder items, you can do that right in the queue. Once the queue finishes, your files will be saved to the destinations you set ready to share or upload. And that's the complete workflow for